Hi there, how are you? Hope you are well. Welcome to Nyeri Town Tour at night. It's your boy Habib the Bantu. It's usually busy during rush hour in Nyeri Town as people go home. Join me as I show you Nyeri Town at night. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. This is Safaricom Customer Care Center on your right. You can see Nyeri City clock from a distance.
Cây này gần đâu? Hả? Ba.
This is Gakere Street, Nyeri busiest street. It is ever busy, during the day and at night. At night they sell second-hand shoes and clothes here at cheap prices. But always be careful here because there are a lot of pickpockets here as well. This street is like Archives in Nairobi, everybody knows it. Nyeri main bus terminus is located along this street. Also located on this street is Mathai Supermarket, Nyama Choma Village and Bice Bar. Airtel Customer Care Center is also located here. Another supermarket here is Samrit Supermarket, which is housed in the Batian building.
Hey.
People selling fish outside Mountain Palace Hotel. On your right used to be Club Ibiza, but looks like it closed down, maybe due to the pandemic.
Wale wa sweatpants na 200 peke yake, wale wa bagi kutoka shilingi 30 hadi shilingi 400 karibia kati, wale wa
Excuse, benipit.
Whispers Park Sanitation Block Nyeri on your left.
Salimianga watu bwana. Hadi una bounce. Unakuwa mwenye Nyeri hadi una bounce. Angalia nani una bounce huko chini na shindo hai.
Nguo za watoto 100, jacket 200.
Bari ya masiku?
Sio mbaya.
Nacho ni yale ku. Ai. Na ile tamu naona mtandao dilamu na liko hizo. Oh, that's good. That's good. Bueno ka? Haya.
This area here is always crowded. Be very cautious here for pickpockets. On your right is Josmika Hotel and in front from a distance is Homage Building. On your left is the 2NK bus terminus. Next to the 2NK bus terminus is the Nyeri Fresh Vegetable Market. The market is on your left. Scooter public service vehicles lining up to pick passengers along Parasia Hotel. Tabby Plaza in front. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Nikiweka na kukani kwa kwani. Agora muda akivela kule pinda na nitoka hanga ndo za mala makati baikinyesa.